Welcome back, guys. You can hear my generator running in the background because our batteries were at 46% this morning. And it's supposed to be gray here today, so I'm not sure if we're gonna get a charge. So we're just gonna top them up. Here we order our firewood because I work full-time and the wife works part-time. But some of the pieces are still pretty big, so I'm gonna go split some right now. So it's the beginning of February, and this is the wood that we have left. We cut it small enough for her small hands. Today we got some chores to do. I have to bring some more wood into the shop and fill up our water tote. So I'm gonna get at it.
This whole town could be red by the end of the day. If you feel alright, we could throw it and drive. With the radio up so loud they can hear us from miles. The good times roll. Down, we'll never come down. When the sun comes up, we'll be feeling how we do right now. My heart's on fire, coming down to the wire.
So I really like this wood splitter. Kind of takes the chances of cutting any limbs off.
Coming down to the wire. While the world sleeps, we'll keep burning brighter and brighter. Nothing to do. These days they come and go. Nothing to lose. I feel it in
So I really like this torch. Gets it going pretty quick. I'm just gonna finish up here and then I'll show you how to fill our water tote. So this is how we fill up our water tote. I gotta grab the garden hose and we'll roll it out. This is why I want to bury the water line. But we use one of these quick connects, which has snow all in it. But yeah, unraveling a garden hose when it's frozen, that's why we keep it in the shop. But still, it's just better to bury the water line. Now I'll take you in the shop and show you how we turn it on. Now it's just a simple flick of the valve. And we're pumping. So in here we have a 600 liter tank. I just use this ladder here to hold the hose in so it doesn't kick out. But in the original design, we used to have 4 totes stacked up in here, plumbed together, and then down out the bottom, pumped into the house. But when it froze, it was a catastrophe. So we just reconfigured it, and we're just going with the one. It's just simple to fill the one tote. So in the winter especially, we heat with this diesel heater. You can see it out here. And we also have this propane Dynaglow. I think it's the 30,000 BTU one. Propane also doesn't work well in the winter. These 20-pound tanks freeze up pretty easy. So another reason to bury the water line. You don't have to heat your water. So in the winter we heat this watershed. We like to use these wireless thermostats. We also have one in the coop. That'll be it for me today. We've been on our homestead going on 4 years now. If there's anything else you guys would like me to cover, just let me know in the comments below.